it's Michaela. Today I'm doing a video on Glaminatrix Cosmetics. I ordered a whole bunch of their eyeshadows which I received today. I actually found out about this brand on a Facebook group, a vegan Facebook group, way back when she had like 1,000 followers on her Instagram. Now she's at 3, which is awesome. She's grown heaps. So little backstory, I started off with just a 6-shade bundle. I got these ones here, and I bought this giant palette because I knew I was going to buy more. So I bought these 6. It says on the website allow up to 3 weeks for your order to be shipped. As a small business myself, I completely understand how hard it is to keep on top of orders. So that was fine. This one came, it was a little bit late, but I was actually overseas, so it doesn't matter. And she was very quick. She responded to an email and told me that 3 of the shades were actually out of stock with the ingredients she had. So she sent me 3 replacements for the meantime so that I could get the other ones later so I wouldn't miss out, which was awesome. So I decided to buy a whole bunch more. She had a 10% discount, so I bought a 12 shade bundle plus 2 other shades. So all in all, there should be 12, maths, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 shadows, because that's including the 3 that I didn't get in my first order. So I placed this order on the 8th of November. I actually only received it yesterday, actually today, which is the 3rd of January. So I was prepared. Anyway, so I emailed her on the 8th of November saying that I just placed another order, and if she wanted to put the 3 that she was going to send from my original order in that one, that's totally fine. She responded the next day, said no worries, was gonna send them today, I'll hang on to them. So cool, no worries. And then 12th of December, I emailed again, just checking if you had any idea when my order would be shipped, because I really, really wanted them. And she again replied very quickly saying, you know, it'll be sent today or tomorrow, thanks so much for your patience. And I said, again, no worries, I understand what it's like to be a one-woman show, thanks for the update. And then 3 days later, she emailed again saying it hadn't been sent, just had some issues. She was very, very apologetic, which is fine, I understand. If she hadn't let me know, I probably would have been a bit peeved, but she emailed me, so such is life. Then that was the 16th of December. So she said it would be express posted the following week. So the following week, me being annoying, I said, can you please advise when they will be sent? I'm just waiting on those 3 original shades from my first order in October. So she express posted them, and I've received them today. So whew, that was a story and a half. Anyway, no shade. I am totally happy with the way she handled it. Again, she's doing all of this by herself, and she's grown so much that I can understand how things might get on the back burner. So it's all good. They're here. Are we ready? I'm so ready. Oh, I guess we'll just get them out. Ah, lost my box, and now they're all over me. Maybe we'll start off with the few shades I bought the other day. Like in October, it's January. Alright, so we've got these ones here. I might just take them out, it'll be easier to show you. So I bought a magnetic palette to fit them all in. And this one here is called Fate. So, should I swatch them? Oops. It's a really nice, sort of easy to wear shade. I'm gonna run out of fingers. I need to go get some makeup remover. This one here is called Simply Rose, and I love it. It's such a nice shade, so easy to wear. So we'll take a little bit of that. It's gorgeous. It's really nice. I love that one. This one's Sweetheart. Excuse my swatches. That'll do. Cotton Candy. These are gorgeous. They're so nice. Sparks Fly. Can I thumb? How do I thumb? Wow. We started off even, but you know, whatever. And then this random blue one. I don't know why I got a blue when I got all those neutral shades, but this one's Sapphire. Ooh, I put them together. So we have a little thank you card. Just says thank you for your purchase. I'm not going to show you the code because you can buy your own. I don't know if I'm allowed to do that. Anyway, so that's a nice little card. And then we have the box. So it's got a little sticker, made with love. Shh, there's a lot in there. Wow. Where do I start? Okay, I'm just gonna pull them all out and we can have a look at them. So this is her packaging. Glaminatrix, it's real cute. And the fact that she does all of this by herself is really awesome. So I got all the ingredients on the back. So they just sit in these little pockets. So this is one of my OGs, my original order. This is Sensual. Gorgeous. Really pretty. Oh man, this is great. What's this one? Bubblegum. Yes, I wanna actually even this up. I'm gonna do that. Nah, I'll just swap to this arm. Damn. Oh, okay, no, I'm not even mad about the weight. Like, nope. These are so pretty. This is Crush. Look at that in the light. Gorgeous. Holy shit, like there's actually so many. I think we're gonna be here for a long time. Oh, that was a shit one. Hang on. Try that again. Gorge. Okay, regroup. I've taken everything out of the packaging so we can just go for it. So this one is a beautiful matte. I think I'm gonna have to swap hands. Yeah, I'm running out of space. Gorge. Sweetheart. Really pretty. Let's make this a nice swatch. So I have put a lot of pressure on it, but I mean, we all know that swatches are sort of misleading, but you can get the best sort of look. It's got a little bit of a crack. I think it'll be fine. Let's just not tip it. This is Grace. If I use that finger, let me wipe that off, eh? This one also is a little bit damaged, but one out of however many. Let's just take that one lightly. I'm gonna have the prettiest palette. Blue jeans. This is an OG too, this is one of the first ones I ordered. Really? It shifts. Can you see that? See, that's not a color I'd wear much, but like it's real pretty, so. Pretty. I'm gonna have to swatch on the front. We're running out of space. Bauxite, bauxite, bork. Okay, front swatches ain't as good. Desire. Pumpkin spice. That was the worst watch of my life. Let's do that again. I'll put him down here. No, can't swatch. I've run out of arm. Help. They're nice together. 25 shades so far. 25. So we've got everything in the palette. Not the way that I'm going to keep it organized because I don't like it. But we have, this one is just slightly damaged, the pink one, and then this one. But the pink one was from when I took it out of the packages. The other two unfortunately stuck to the plastic, but it's pretty good. You can just see how matte the mattes are as well. They're gorgeous. All in all, these, look, I have used those 6 shades beforehand. I haven't used them today because it arrived today. I'd already done my makeup before I decided to do this video. So maybe I can do that in the future, but you've got an idea of a couple of swatches. Sorry for these being real shit. I'm learning. But these ones are much better. And I don't know what happened here. Anyway, look, regardless of the delay, I would totally buy these again. I would definitely recommend. They're all vegan. They're handmade by this one lady, and she has had good communication with me. I understand obviously life happens, and as a business it's really hard, but I can understand having my own business. So I commend her on her efforts, and these are awesome. I can't wait to actually use them.